queste due così mangiamo.
Also for little Pekka. This is the pizza for Linda. And we start from zero. Allora, poi qui, what you like in the pizza? Cheese? Ok. Dunque. Only cheese for you. Okay. This is for you. Okay?
Oh, also mushroom.
Of course. But we have to put the bed. This is the bed.
Picchi le pizze dentro.
Sì, lo so. La telecronaca ci deve essere sempre. Allora. This is for mom and papa, Pekka, eh? Okay? Then when you come here, I'm gonna make the pizza for you also. Allora, this is for our boy qui, this one, okay? So our boy qui, she wants also the mushroom. Okay? Look, mushroom, extra mushroom, and other mushroom. Is enough? Okay. Then, fresh cheese sauce in the middle, and then olive oil. That's it. This is mine. This is fresh tomato sauce. Okay. Then, let me check the other pizza. Okay. Then, mozzarella cheese bed. And then, my dear Pekka, I like the cream cheese. A little bit here, here, as much you like it. Few mushroom, because my love cut. Now, we are ready. What we are gonna do? I show you. First of all, we make space. And now I teach you something. Guarda. And one. And two. We make the crown like the queen. Three. Four. Thank you. Five. And six. Allora.
In fondo.
Guarda. This is mozzarella. And one. And two. And three. Four. Five. Six. 7 and 8. There we go. This is the queen. Now we put inside.
Dopo ne possiamo fare una con la cipolla e top, perché c'è la roba.
There we go. One.